Welcome to the video where we dive into a common problem faced by Java developers when deciding between using ParentClass.class or this.getClass in their code. Now, let's explore the solution provided for this problem. In the code snippet, we have a parent class with two instance variables. Instance keyword class assigned to ParentClass.class and instance method class assigned to this.getClass. When a child class extends parent class, the behavior changes. The instance keyword class will always point to parent class, while the instance method class will reflect the class of the instantiated object, either parent class or child class. This showcases the difference between using a class literal and this.getClass in an inheritance scenario. Continuing with the explanation of the solution, when we create instances of parent class and child class and access their instance variables, we see a difference. For the parent instance, both instance keyword class and instance method class point to parent class. However, for the child instance keyword class still references parent class, while instance method class now reflects the child class. This demonstrates how using this.getClass allows for dynamic resolution based on the actual object's class at runtime. In conclusion, choosing between class literal and this.getClass in Java involves considering whether you need a static or dynamic reference to the class, especially in an inheritance context. By understanding this difference, you can make an informed decision based on your specific needs. Thanks for watching, and remember to like, subscribe, and comment below with your thoughts. Your feedback is always appreciated.